The Justice for Fraud Victims Project is a project students get to work on as part of forensic accounting and fraud examination. They get to work on real-world fraud and forensic accounting cases to help victims of fraud who cannot afford a fraud or forensic accounting investigation. Well, at SUNY Old Westbury, we started our MS in Forensic Accounting program in the fall of 2018. And I realized that there was something missing in our program to give students the experience or experiential learning. So I searched online and I saw that Gonzaga University out in Spokane, Washington was doing the Justice for Fraud Victims Project. I reached out to the professors over there and they gave me some information about the project, and I knew that this was a home run for our students because it gave them real-world experience. At the same time, it helps them become marketable when they graduate, and it also helps them become aware of victims and that fraud is prevalent in the communities that they live. You know, the benefits have been phenomenal, greater than what I ever expected. In terms of, you know, some of the comments were that this was the greatest project in their college careers, both undergrad and graduate. It also opened their eyes to different opportunities in the field of fraud and forensic accounting, not just going to work in public accounting, but some of our students who have gone through the project have gone on to work for the IRS Criminal Investigation Division, FBI, Homeland Security. So it exposed them to different opportunities. So it's definitely a great opportunity for not only SUNY Old Westbury students, but also as we grow the project throughout the country, other students and at other colleges and universities. But I think there's a lot of opportunities for the ACFE and the local chapters to work with the project and also work with colleges and universities. A lot of students who work on the project actually start studying for the CFE exam before they graduate. So I believe this is going to explode over the next couple of years, and it's going to greatly benefit the JFEP and also the ACFE.